In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posters in Canva. We'll go through the process from finding the right design to customizing it so it fits your message. Canva makes poster creation beginner friendly, so even if you've never designed anything before, this workflow is simple and easy to follow. First, go to Canva and open the website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be able to explore Canva's design tools and categories. This is where everything begins, and it gives you access to thousands of ready-made layouts that can save you a lot of time compared to starting from a blank page. Next, click on Templates. This is an important step because templates give you a strong starting point for your design. Instead of building a poster from scratch, you can choose a professionally designed layout and then adjust it to match your style, event, promotion, or message. This is especially helpful if you want something polished without needing advanced design experience. After that, search for posters in the template search bar. Typing in posters will bring up a wide range of options, including styles for events, announcements, promotions, school projects, and more. Take a moment here to browse. It helps to think about the purpose of your poster so you can choose a design that already matches the tone you want, whether that's modern, bold, elegant, or playful. Once you find one you like, select a template. Choosing the right template can make the rest of the process much easier because a good layout already has balanced spacing, coordinated fonts, and a clear visual structure. Don't worry about the exact text or images you see at this point. You're really choosing the overall design framework. Then click on Customize this template. This opens the design in Canva's editor, where you can start making changes. The editor is where your poster begins to turn into your own project rather than just a sample layout. Now edit the template. Replace the placeholder text with your own information and adjust things like colors, fonts, images, and spacing to better reflect your message or branding. As you make edits, try to keep the poster clear and readable. Make sure the most important information stands out and avoid overcrowding the design with too much text. A clean layout usually makes a stronger impact, and that's how to create posters in Canva. Once your design looks the way you want, you'll be ready to review it and prepare it for sharing or printing.